Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today I'm going to show you an easy, spicy, crispy rolls with potato filling. These rolls are best starter food and good for evening snacks. Take 500 grams of peeled potato pieces and boil them till they become softer. Until that, we will prepare our dough. In a mixing bowl, take 300 grams of all-purpose flour. To this, add hot butter or ghee and mix without adding water. Hot butter only will give soft and crispy texture to the rolls. When you press with hand, flour should stay in the shape. Now add 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and coriander. Now mix them well. After mixing, add water little by little and mix to form a dough. Dough should be hard, so add water accordingly. Now cover the dough and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take small portion of dough, dust the surface and roll the dough to a flat sheet. The thickness should be between 1 mm or less. If you make more than 1 mm thickness, rolls will lose crispness. Now cut the sheet into 5 cm width and 20 cm long sheets. After cutting, cover the sheets with damp cloth to avoid drying. Now we'll prepare potato filling. Drop the boiled potato pieces in a bowl and mash them. You can use fork or potato masher. When potatoes cooked enough, take out immediately from the water when they are hot so that you can avoid excess moisture in the filling. After mashing the potatoes, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilli, small bunch chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or corn flour, and salt to taste. Now mix well all the ingredients. After mixing, apply oil to the hands and take small portion of filling and roll it to a cylindrical shape. Do not make too long. Filling will come out while frying, so make same size with the dough sheet. Now take one sheet. Place the filling at one end and roll the sheet. Apply water to the edge and seal it. If you don't seal perfectly, rolls will open while frying. After making all the rolls, heat up the oil. Oil should not be very hot. When oil heats up, drop the rolls and fry till they get golden brown color on a medium flame. That's it. Our crispy potato rolls are ready. Serve them with tomato ketchup.